Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I have a almost new Grady-White Canyon 326. This is in the celestial blue color. Big thing about the Grady-White is if you do know about them, their CV2 hull performance is outstanding, and this is what really sets them apart from other competitors. If you look at their chines here are super aggressive and do a phenomenal job of just shooting the water out to your sides, keeping you very dry in your endeavor. With a sharp entry V, makes the ride super soft and stable. Makes it stable through as it goes to the back of the transom. It does flatten out to a flatter dead rise, which provides the stability. Let's go see what this is powered with. And now that we're up here on the back of the boat, you can see that this is powered by twin Yamaha 300 4-strokes. These are the full maneuverability, most recent Helmmaster joystick piloting. I'll show you a little bit more about that up here in a second. One other thing I want to point out while we're back here is that on both the port and starboard side of this 326, you do have the swim platform that extends outward. One of the really cool features, not a lot of other boats have this, is this step pad right here from the boarding ladder is actually angled forward. So as you go to step up onto the boat, your foot's already in a natural position to roll forward. So if there is a little bit of imbalance, your body is already naturally falling forward into the boat rather than out of the boat. These are just little things that Grady-White think about as they're building their boat. And I'll show you some more when you come up here with me. All right, now that we're back here in the back of the boat, in the full aft section, we do have a fish box that can be doubled as a cooler if you choose so. Live well back here. Excellent side entry door, or a tuna door if you prefer to call it that. You do have a prep station for any type of fruit, sandwiches, and live well on the right side. If you want to fold these down, make an excellent cutting board. One extra feature on the big hardtop is their Sure Shade, which is a deployable aft cover, which will cover the whole back section of the boat, keep you nice and shaded in those hot summer days. As we move forward, this is paired with 3 captain's chairs all the way across, flip down seating. Very comfortable. Twin Garmin 16-inch screens, the VHF Yamaha information, so you can always know how your motor's performing. Does have the, as I mentioned earlier, the most upgraded Helmmaster, which has drift point, stay point, fish point, all different features that integrate with the Yamaha outboards to make your fishing and life so much easier when you're out on the water. Moving forward, very massive size center console. Has a head, little shower down there as well, extra rod storage. And finally, in the front, excellent seating on the front of the center console, as well as the forward cushioning sun lounge area. You can remove these, they all remove the pads. They all do fit in the center console, so it's quick and easy transition. If you guys are out fishing and decide that you need to use the forward area for a quick casting platform, just remove the cushions, throw them into the center console, and then you're ready to go. If you want to see anything more or hear anything more about this boat, come see me. Again, this is Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. Thank you.